Welcome to Rhulani Insights and welcome to some news that we have in your beautiful guest chalet. So we always do some renovations and I will show you now the most recent ones. I'm here at the entrance door. So this has all been changed and you will be welcomed by this beautiful glass door with the Rhulani sign also welcoming you. But now let's go in. I understand you are already a bit familiar with the equipment and how our rooms look like, but I want to show you specifically our new frames that we have here on the doors. The old ones were wood. Now we have decided to replace it by these high quality aluminium doors. So this is aluminium. But we still, with this rather dark brownish color, we leave the feeling of the wood also, and it fits in also with the other colors. Now, when you are a guest, of course, usually you go here to the handle. There is also a key, so you could close at night if you wanted to go out. But there is much more. You can open that completely also on the other side. Just put that hook down and then you see then it's a sliding door. So if during the day you really want to have fresh air coming in and go inside outside to the terrace and the pool, this is the way how to do it. Very easy, very comfortable. So this is the first thing I wanted to show you, and for the second one we go to the ensuite bathroom. Here also we have a new door, and if you have now here a look what's actually the new thing, we have changed the blinds. And as you see those blinds, for me that I knew how it was before, it gives a totally new atmosphere to the whole bathroom. These blinds, if you don't have such a system at home, me in Switzerland we don't have these ones. So to move them correctly, you have one handle with one knob here. So if you just take it here, you can push it up, and if you leave it go, then it goes down automatically. And with the other one, there are actually two. You can then close it down to one direction or to the other direction. So at night, this will certainly be closed. At the day you can do however you want it to have. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope that with this new added luxury to your room you will stay comfortable here. And yeah, that was it for today. That was Rhulani Insights. Bye bye.